Hello, I am Stevie Love, and I created this installation to bring into focus the suffering of the children of Gaza. Art in Residence invited me to create something for their property out here in the Western Mojave Desert, where they have hosted numerous installations since their inception in 2019. Last year, they built this 14-foot-high steel structure. It was a collaborative effort between Art in Residence and Lost Angels of Lancaster as a metaphor for home in all its varied implications. This year, I am privileged to bring new meaning to the installation, a tribute to the children of Gaza who have lost their homes, or family members, or whose homes have forever lost their children. My usual colorful palette has succumbed to one of mourning, strips of black feathers, black faux fur, and sequins, each strip bearing a bell that rings in the desert winds, a constant reminder of the ongoing tragedies facing the children of Gaza. It is not just an artistic endeavor, it is a clarion call to the conscience of the observer, a testament to the forgotten innocence of war-torn regions. In researching the history of Gaza, I came across an article memorializing a kite-flying record set by the children of Gaza. In an event organized by the UN Relief and Works Agency on July 28, 2011, the children of Gaza flew 12,350 kites simultaneously on the beach at Al-Waha on the Gaza Strip. That beach is now a war zone, overrun by tanks and military equipment. On April 20th this year, the date of the opening, I brought 16 kites to the home, and visitors flew kites to honor the children of Gaza. This installation will be up until November 2nd this year, and I plan to bring kites about once a month to the site. I will post the dates, and I encourage you to come and immerse yourself, feel the winds, hear the bells, and fly a kite to honor the children of Gaza. Thank you for listening.